Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Natural Remedies. I'm Tracy. White rice is the staple food of more than half of the world's population. Actually, white rice is considered empty carbs since it loses its main sources of nutrients and fiber. Today, I'm going to introduce you all a healthier rice alternative which is better for your health. This food is potato. Potatoes contain more vitamins and nutrients than rice. Now let us see what are the benefits of replacing rice with potatoes daily. 1. Lost weight. Not all carbohydrates are considered equal. Potatoes are rich in complex carbohydrates. Complex carbs pack in more nutrients than simple carbs. They are higher in fiber and digest more slowly. This also makes them more filling, which means they are a good option for weight control. In fact, potato is one of the most filling and low-calorie foods we can eat, and the fuller we feel, the less likely we will be tempted by junk foods. Meanwhile, white rice contains refined carbohydrates. Eating refined carbs is linked to drastically increased risk of many diseases, including obesity, heart disease, and type 2 diabetes. 2. Improve digestive health. Potatoes are a good source of fiber, which helps with digestion. A high-fiber diet can help both diarrhea and constipation. It is best to eat potatoes with the skin. Potatoes are rich in resistant starch. Resistant starch both feeds the friendly bacteria and indirectly feeds the cells in your colon by increasing the amount of butyrate. Resistant starch has several beneficial effects on your colon. It can help your body with digestion and has been linked to reduce inflammation in the colon, improve colon function, and a lower risk of colorectal disease. 3. Lower blood pressure. Potatoes are high in chlorogenic acid and anthocyanins, chemicals that help to lower blood pressure. Potatoes are also a good source of potassium. Increasing potassium intake can reduce your risk of heart disease and stroke by lowering blood pressure. However, the way you cook the potato affects its nutritional value. Remember not to remove the potato skin, as the potato skin has more nutrients than the interior of the potato. It is best to boil or steam the potato. You can add some olive oil to your potato to lower the glycemic index. An interesting study found cooking a potato and then cooling it before you eat it also lowers the glycemic index, even if you later reheat the potato. You should not fry potatoes, as it will destroy the nutrients of the potatoes. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you like my video. Remember to click the bell button too to get notified about my latest videos. Thank you.